Yebo Saubona to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundits of the beautiful game. In the world of football, we know there are certain clubs that hold a special place in the heart of their fans. These clubs become our family with coach, players, supporters, and all bonded together by a shared passion. One such club is the Orlando Pirates in South Africa, known for their rich history and a very passionate fan base, currently under the managerial guidance of Manlam Skazi. As they gear up for the next season, we see several competitions. I can mention a few of them, like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, MTN 80, Collingwood Cup, and the prestigious CAF Champions League are now being linked heavy with a move of three talented stars. I can start mention and explain one by one, starting with Yanela Mbusuma, a 21 years old striker who is currently playing steady with Richard Bay FC in the South Africa Premier Division Premier Soccer League. Yanela Mbusuma, a center forward known for his sharp finishing in front of goal. He has been linked heavy to a move to both Orlando Pirates Football Club as well as Kaizer Chiefs Amakos under the managerial guidance of Nasruddin Mohamed Nabi. But Orlando Pirates are given high priority to sign him starting from July 1st, 2025. The second one is a midfielder known as Jibril Sila, who is currently playing steady with Azam FC in the Tanzania Premier Soccer League, popularly known as NBC. Jibril Sila, he has been linked heavy to several clubs, including Young Africans, currently under the managerial guidance of Hamdi Moldi, as well as the Orlando Pirates Football Club in South Africa. But the Pirates are given high priority to sign him starting from June 2025-2026. The last one for today, we have Etiose Godoro, the Nigerian striker, who is currently playing steady with Amazulu FC, Nigerian striker, at 26 years old. He has been offered also to Orlando Pirates Football Club as they need for a perfect replacement of Uzahele Lerato Lapesa, who will be given farewell by a club at the end of the 2024-2025 season. So it is only the matter of time. We're supposed to wait until the end. We'll know each and everything. If you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information like rumors, transfer update, prediction as well as fixtures on the present and upcoming season of 2025-2026, you can subscribe now and smash the bell icon. Goodbye.